How to make Quran recitation videos with subtitles for YouTube and TikTok.
أيتها النفس المطمئنة.
Using the Hitpa Edimakor, and it's free. First, download and install the Hitpa Edimakor software on your laptop or PC. You can try it for free for Windows or Mac via the official website. I put the link in the description. Open your Edimakor app. And click the Create a Video button to start editing. We start by adding a background. Don't worry if you don't have a background yet, because with Edimakor, you can get the video or photo background you want through several services such as Pixabay. Just find the background you want, download it, then add it to the timeline. The best aspect ratio size for TikTok and YouTube Shorts is portrait or 9:16. You can change the aspect ratio in the Edimakor in the section here. Then, we also need to crop the background video to fit the aspect ratio size. Click the crop button, select the appropriate aspect ratio, then select the area of the video to use. Click the text menu, then select and just add the default text options. Then for the Quran text, so you don't have to bother typing, just go to the Quran.com website. Select the surah. Then copy the Quran verse that you want to add to the video. After that, just paste it here. To make it look better, you can use additional fonts, which you can get in the description. You just need to install it on your laptop. Then use it. After that, also give it a shadow, so that the text doesn't blend into the background. Add new text. Copy the translation of the verse from the Quran website. Paste it here. Then change the font type as desired. In the media menu, click Import File. Look for your Quran Recitation file. Then trim or split exactly the part of the verse you choose. To adjust the duration of the text with Quran recitation, just drag the clip at the end like this. Do the same for the video background. Click the text, open the animation option, then for the Quran text, I will use the shouting soundwave animation effect. Meanwhile, for the caption, I will use the typing animation. Click the Export button. Select MP4 format. Select the best resolution, namely 4K. Change the file name. Click Export. And wait for the process to complete. The video will be saved in the HitPot Edimakor folder in the Videos category. And here are the results.
أيتها النفس المطمئنة